Socializing 65. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over how some people become overly sad when they are criticized. A Muslim should always remember that there are two types of people. The first are rightly guided, as their criticism of others is based on the criticism and advice found in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This type will always be constructive and guide one to blessings and the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds. These people will also refrain from over or underpraising others. Overpraising others can cause them to become proud and arrogant. Underpraising others can lead them to becoming lazy and put them off from doing good. This reaction is often observed in children. Praising according to the teachings of Islam will inspire others to strive harder in both worldly and religious matters, and it will prevent them from becoming arrogant. Therefore, the praise and constructive criticism of this person should be accepted and acted upon, even if comes from a stranger. The second type of person criticizes based on their own desires. This criticism is mostly unconstructive and only shows one's bad mood and attitude. These people often over and underpraise others as they act based on their own desires. The negative effects of these two were mentioned earlier. Therefore, the criticism and praise of this person should be ignored in the majority of cases, even if it comes from a loved one, as it will only cause one to become unnecessarily sad in cases of criticism and arrogant in cases of praise. It is important to remember that a person who overpraises others will often over-criticize them too. The rule one should always follow is that they should only accept the criticism and praise based on the teachings of Islam. All other things should be ignored and not taken personally. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.